Hello, welcome to Creative Hub. In today's video, I am going to share effective learning tips and tricks in how you can study and complete one chapter in 1 hour, because completing one chapter in 1 hour requires a lot of focus, time management, and effective learning techniques. Here is a few tips and tricks that I am going to share. Let's dive into the video without wasting further time. I hope you find this video very helpful in your future study plans. First of all, preparation for 5 to 10 minutes is really important. To set a clear goal, gather resources, and create a conducive environment that will minimize distraction. You should study in sections. Study in sections for 40 minutes. First of all, you should skim the chapter, then divide the chapter and study this divided chapter into 25 to 30 minutes. Then come focus on the key areas. You should focus on the key areas. Pay extra attention to examples, diagrams, and summaries. Quick review and reflection. You should focus on quick review and reflection for 10 minutes. Review notes. Summarize the main ideas either by writing them down or saying them aloud. Self quiz is very important. Test yourself on the content using flashcards or by answering questions at the end of the chapter. And identify gaps. Highlight areas you need to revisit or deeper dive into the later. Use timers. A timer helps keep you on track. Stay active, engage with the material by asking why and how. Avoid multitasking. Focus solely on the chapter for that 1 hour.